Most of us think anemia means just one thing, not enough iron in the body. But what if we tell you that India's fight against anemia is missing some major pieces of the puzzle? Today, we break down the real causes of anemia, the surprising link with air pollution, and what needs to change if we truly want to become an Anemia Mukt Bharat. Anemia is more than iron deficiency. For years, iron and folic acid deficiencies were blamed for anemia. But new research tells a different story. A landmark study published in European Journal of Clinical Nutrition in January 2025 found that iron deficiency causes less than one-third of anemia cases across 8 Indian states. The rest? Linked to deficiencies in vitamin B12, folate, vitamin A, and zinc, or caused by chronic diseases, infections like malaria and tuberculosis, and even certain medications. The shocking link between air pollution and anemia. Yes, air pollution can literally reduce your hemoglobin. Fine particulate matter or PM2.5 triggers inflammation, causing the liver to release a hormone called hepcidin, which blocks iron absorption. In fact, studies show that just a 10 microgram rise in PM2.5 levels leads to a 10% rise in anemia among children and over 7% in women of reproductive age. So yes, tackling air pollution isn't just about clean skies, it's about clean blood too. What we need instead? Experts are clear, we need to diagnose the cause of anemia before blindly prescribing iron. Not everyone needs the same treatment. The solution lies in dietary diversity. Add fruits like guava or amla to boost vitamin C. Better awareness. People need to know why their hemoglobin is low. Smart supplementation. Fortify not just with iron, but also B12, folate and zinc. Air quality control. Reducing pollution is key to long-term health. In Haryana, a simple change, adding guava to midday meals, reduced anemia among kids by half in 7 months. Anemia is also an awareness problem. India urgently needs a mass awareness campaign. Just like we fought COVID with PCR tests and mask drives, we must now fight anemia with information. Because anemia isn't just a health issue, it's a development issue.